My name is Mia. I am 20 years old, and I want to tell you about my family and our daily life. We live in a cozy house in London, England. London is a big city with many parks, museums, and exciting places to visit. My family is very important to me. We have many fun times together, and I love to share my experiences with you. In my family, there are 5 people: my father, my mother, my older sister, my younger brother, and me. My father's name is John. He is 45 years old and works as a policeman. He helps keep our city safe. My mother's name is Lisa. She is 43 years old, and she is a wonderful housewife. She takes care of our home and cooks delicious meals for us. I have an older sister named Lily. She is 22 years old and studies art at university. My younger brother is named Jack. He is 10 years old and loves to play soccer. Together we have a happy family. We also have 2 pets. We have a dog named Max and a cat named Bella. Max is a big, friendly dog who loves to play fetch and go for long walks. Bella is a small, fluffy cat who enjoys napping in sunny spots and chasing small toys around the house. They make our home lively. Every day, we have a routine. In the morning, we wake up at 7 o'clock. My mother makes breakfast, which is often eggs, toast, and fresh fruit. She sometimes makes pancakes with syrup on weekends, and they are my favorite. After breakfast, my father goes to work, and my sister and I go to university. Jack goes to elementary school. My classes start at 9 o'clock. I am learning English and want to become a teacher one day. Lily studies art at university. She loves painting and drawing. Jack's school starts at 8:30, and he enjoys playing soccer with his friends during recess. We all leave the house at different times, but we say goodbye to each other in the morning. After classes, I often go to the library to study. I like reading and learning new things. My sister spends time in her art studio at home, creating beautiful paintings. Jack comes home and plays soccer outside with his friends. He is very active and loves sports. In the evenings, my mother does housework. She cleans the house and organizes everything. I help her with chores like washing the dishes and vacuuming. Cooking is also important in our family. My mother loves to cook, and she makes many delicious meals. Some of our favorites are spaghetti, chicken stir-fry, and homemade pizza. On special occasions, she bakes a big chocolate cake that everyone loves. At 8 o'clock, we all come together for dinner. My mother cooks delicious meals, and we enjoy talking about our day. It is a special time for our family. Sometimes, my sister tries new recipes, and we all help her in the kitchen. Cooking together is a fun way to bond. We also love our grandparents. My grandfather's name is George, and my grandmother's name is Helen. They live in a small house nearby. We visit them every Sunday. They always have cookies and tea ready for us when we arrive. My grandmother loves to share her old family recipes with us. Christmas is one of the most important events for our family. We decorate the house with lights and hang ornaments on the Christmas tree. My mother makes a special Christmas dinner with roast turkey, stuffing, and all the trimmings. We also have Christmas pudding for dessert, which is a traditional treat. On Christmas Eve, we read stories and drink hot chocolate. On Christmas morning, We open presents and enjoy a big breakfast together. It is a joyful time, filled with love and laughter. Birthdays are also very special in our family. My birthday is in March, and I love celebrating with my friends and family. My mother bakes a big chocolate cake with colorful frosting. We have games, music, and lots of fun. Jack's birthday is in July. He loves having a soccer-themed party with decorations in his favorite team's colors. We play soccer in the yard and enjoy cake and snacks. Birthdays are always filled with happiness and excitement. Every year, we take special trips together. Last summer, we went to Paris, France. We saw the Eiffel Tower, visited the Louvre Museum, and enjoyed delicious pastries at local cafes. We walked along the Seine River and took many pictures together. It was an unforgettable experience. In the winter, we traveled to India to visit my uncle. We saw beautiful temples, colorful markets, and tasted amazing food. We visited the Taj Mahal, and it was breathtaking. The culture and sights were so different from home, and we loved every moment. Throughout the year, we have many family activities. On weekends, we love to go to the park for picnics and games. Sometimes we ride bikes or play soccer together. It is a great way to spend time outdoors and enjoy each other's company. Max and Bella also have their adventures. Max loves to run in the park and play with other dogs. He is very friendly and loves to meet new friends. Bella, on the other hand, enjoys sitting by the window and watching the birds outside. She can be very playful, especially when she chases her toys around the house. I feel very lucky to have such a wonderful family. We support each other and share many happy moments. Our daily life is busy, but it is also full of love and laughter. I am grateful for my family, our pets, and all the special times we have together. Thank you for listening to my story. I would be happy if you share your beautiful memories with your family in the comments. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe, like, and share.